Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Apple device to iPad Air 2020. Firstly, open App Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Click Allow. And OK. You want to go with Receive on iPad and Send on Apple device. I will go with one file, so I have to click on it and choose Send. From here you have two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. I will input password, so I have to do it and click Receive. Click OK. And now, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!